Let's learn, check yourself. It's choreographed by Shane McKeever and Niels Poulsen. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn. Check yourself. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do cross points. So you're going to cross your right over your left and point your left toe to the left side. Cross your left over your right and point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to do a jazz box cross. So you're going to cross your right over your left. Step back with your left. Step your right foot to the right side and cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your cross points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to step our right foot to the right side and we're going to hold. We're now going to do a ball side. Quickly step your left next to your right. Step your right foot to the right side and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to do a rolling vine. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 12 o'clock, and then touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our jazz box. You're stepping to the right. 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do rocks with hips. So we're going to rock forward with our right foot, and as we do that, we're going to bump our right hip forward. You're now going to recover back onto your left and bump your hip back. You're going to step forward onto your right and bump that hip forward and then hit your left knee. We're now going to do the same thing to the left. So you're going to step your left foot forward, bumping that hip forward. Recover back onto your right, bump your hip back. Put your weight onto your left, bump your hip forward, and hitch your right knee up. Now, I like to kind of make these a little bit more rolling. So I like to kind of roll into these hitches. That's a little bit of a styling thing that you could add on. So instead of just going bump, 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 you can kind of roll into them and add some extra styling. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your rocks with hip bumps. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do diagonal back step touches. So we're going to step our right foot back into the right back diagonal, touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot back into the left back diagonal, touch your right next to your left. We're now going to rock back with our right foot, recover onto your left, step forward with your right foot, do a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and then you'll be ready to start over again with your cross point. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our right hitch, so you're doing your back diagonal touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when you come out of this pivot, you want to kind of open your body to the left so that you can go into those cross points a little bit smoother. It's just going to help you transition. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your cross point, so it's cross, point, jazz, box, cross, side, hold ball, side, touch, quarter, half, quarter, touch, rock, forward, bump, forward, back, forward, hitch, rock, forward, back, hitch, back diagonal, touch, rock back, recover, step, quarter, pivot. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your cross points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now the dance does end facing 12 o'clock. You'll be facing the 3 o'clock wall when you're finishing, so you'll do your rock back, recover, quarter pivot to 12 o'clock. And then all you're going to do is step forward with your right to hit that last beat of the music. And I kind of like to pose, but as long as you're stepping forward with that right foot on that final count, then you will match the ending for the dance. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. We're going to do steps, side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left, you're starting with your cross point. Cross, point, jazz, box, cross, side, hold ball, side, touch, rolling vine. Now it's your rock with your hips, rock forward, hitch, rock forward, hitch, back diagonal touch, rock back, recover, step, quarter pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, pull, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, point, jazz, box, cross, side, hold ball, side, touch, rolling vine with a touch. Now it's your rock with your hips forward, hitch, back, hitch, back diagonal touch, rock back, recover, step, quarter pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn. Check yourself. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.